rise and shine, my beautiful divine diamonds. Welcome. Today I want to talk to you guys about scripting and how to use scripting to manifest anything that you want. So this is a very useful tool, and it involves writing, it involves being very specific, and it involves an emotional connection to what you're writing about. While you're here, my name is Claire. Go ahead, like and subscribe to this channel where we focus on finding success, happiness, getting ourselves out of a rut, and leveling up our lives. Also, check out my website below for coaching and other services, and let's get right into it. So, with manifesting and law of attraction, it always helps to have a specific focus and a method for actually working on your manifestation, getting very clear on what you want, okay? So we want, as you know, to think, act, and feel as if we already have achieved our manifestation. And one of the processes that you can use is scripting. And that is basically where you write down specifically in a phrase what you want to manifest. And you will write it down as if it has already happened in the present tense, so using I am or I have, okay? And that will basically trigger your brain to connect with this affirmation or this manifestation as though you already have it, okay? So you're going to have to, number one, figure out what you want, okay? You want to, let's say you want to have 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. So you say, I am so grateful for my 20,000 subscribers that I have reached on YouTube. It is so awesome, okay? And you write that phrase down over and over and over again. You can script this, same phrase daily. You can script it, write it down 20, 30 times per day. And while you're doing this, you're going to feel the emotion, okay? You want to connect to the emotion and you want to visualize it as you write it down. So you're visualizing actually having achieved this goal. And so it's connecting all parts. It's connecting you to your vision. It's connecting you to the emotion. It's connecting you to the specific details of what you want to manifest. And that way, the more you do this, it's basically imprinting this into your subconscious mind. So just like we study in school, right? When we go to school and we are, the best way to learn is to write it and rewrite it and rewrite it, okay? Like in French class or a language class or whatever, if you're trying to study and memorize, you write something down over and over again. That's what you do with scripting, okay? So you write it down in the present tense as though you already have it over and over again. And every single time you connect emotionally to the actual event as if it has already happened. And the more that you practice, the better you get, and it will eventually come to being because you say it, because you believe it, because you are embodying it internally. And what you embody internally will eventually come to be externally. So use scripting to your advantage, especially knowing that the more specific you can get and the more that you can really narrow down exactly what you want, exactly what you're manifesting in a wide range of different areas of your life. There's finances, there's love, there's travel, there's health, everything. The more specific that you can get with a deep knowing, then the more able you will be to imprint it into your subconscious mind and have it come to you, okay? Because we want to be specific. Sometimes if we're super vague and we don't know what we want, then we get things that they aren't exactly what we want. So narrow it down, get super specific with your phrases, and feel them as if they are already here, okay? And you can do this as a morning ritual every single morning you write down your scripting phrases multiple times. You can write down a full page, or you can do multiple ones. You can do one phrase over and over and over and over every day for 3 weeks or so, however you want to do it, and then move on to another one. But just make sure that you are deliberately imprinting it in to your subconscious mind, into your vision, visualizing it and feeling it. So that is my tip for today. Go ahead, check out my links below for more. Also, you can follow me on Instagram for more positive updates. And I will see you in my next video. Remember, you are so powerful. Bye.